Okay, so let's discuss more on this. So we do have these two tasks, two stages created. Okay, why two? Because first task was to read the file and convert it into the partition 2 out of 2, and then we are repartitioning into 10 partition. Okay, so earlier we have seen this stage, okay, where we are creating the two tasks, okay, putting the file in two partitions, and you can see the two partitions are here. So there is a serialization time because this is a time when the driver send the data to the worker node for the execution, and these are the worker node that took time to deserialize it. Okay, so and you can see this, if I scroll up in the right, okay, so you can see there is a shuffle write and shuffle read. So what happened is, in the repartitioning, this is the coalescing data, okay, which AQE or adaptive query engine comes into picture, because it don't want to put the small files, okay, so just combine all the files together, and this is the the full size of the file, okay, whole length of the file. So you can see 950 byte read, okay, because there are two partitions, so that's why it gave the two partitions. Okay, 950 by this partition will going to have 5 records, this partition will going to have 4 records. And let's see in the previous section when it was reading it without the repartitioning, okay, so does it created any? So here if you see, so let's quickly see this, if there is any shuffle write happened here or not when we are collecting it. So let's quickly see. Okay, so there you can see, right, still we have these two tasks, okay, but there was no shuffle read and shuffle write happened. Okay, so that means shuffle read and shuffle write is only happened for the this is not the one, I'll show you. Okay, so this one is for the repartitioning. Okay, repartition thing. So repartition been done in two cases. I mean, why two? Because first it created a 2 partition, and then out of 2 it has created a 10 partition. Okay, so that's why 950 byte is for the 5 rows and 754 byte for the 4 rows. Okay, and so this is the first of the stage. And in the other stage, okay, in the other stage, if you look at that, in the other stage, let's see. So to go back, let me click on the stages here. Okay, so this is the other stage where 10 partition was created. So here you can see the repartition happened, and then it map partition with index. Okay, so these are 10 partition created. You can see all are having the deserialization happening, and let's see if any serialization happened. Yes, it happened. Okay, so 10 millisecond and 10 millisecond, because in the reading it has created 2 partitions, right? So in the 2 partitions, sending it to the executors, okay, to driver send it to the executor. So as there were 2 partitions, so that's why the 2 serialization happened, and deserialization happened on each of the executors or the cores, you can say. So number of executors ran is only only 1. Okay, but with the 10 jobs it has created. Okay, 10 tasks, you can say. 10 tasks, and how many? So there will be shuffle read happen. Okay, so it is keeping one record with this much of byte, okay, in each of the partition, and this is blank. So there is no data in the partition 8, and then 9 we have the data. Okay, so let me quickly go back to the executor tab and see how many executors that it ran. So as you can see, there is only one executor that ran, okay, which is a driver only, and it took around 1.7 KB because of the there were other factors that we have discussed in the last video, why the size has been increased. okay, to 1.7 because of the overhead and of the headers and everything, metadata. Okay, that is the reason why. So driver, I mean, you can see there's total 48 tasks, okay, because we have run other jobs as well. So that's why it is combining all the data. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much.